Join us on an exploration into the rapidly evolving world of robotics, akin to navigating through the transformative effects of a new technological era. Today, we delve into the profound impact of robots on society. This journey will explore how these advanced machines are reshaping industries, labor markets, ethical paradigms, and daily life, much like how the introduction of advanced technology revolutionizes life aboard a starship. Our exploration begins in the heart of industry. Robots have dramatically transformed the workforce, taking on roles ranging from manufacturing and assembly to logistics and precision agriculture. While they bring efficiency and precision, they also present challenges in terms of job displacement and the need for workforce reskilling. In the healthcare sector, the impact of robotics has been life-altering. From surgical robots that offer unparalleled precision to robotic aids assisting in patient care and rehabilitation, these machines are enhancing the quality and accessibility of healthcare, much like advanced medical technology improves health outcomes on a space mission. Turning to everyday life, robots have begun to make their mark. Domestic robots ease household chores, autonomous vehicles aim to transform transportation, and personal robotic assistants offer convenience and support. This integration into daily life marks a significant shift in how we interact with technology. The rise of robotics brings with it significant ethical and social considerations. Issues such as privacy, autonomy, and the ethical treatment of robots themselves are at the forefront of societal discourse. The role of robots in society requires careful navigation, balancing technological advancement with ethical responsibility. Education systems are adapting to this robotic revolution. There's a growing emphasis on STEM education, robotics literacy, and skills development to prepare future generations for a robot-integrated job market. This shift is as crucial as training a Starship crew for the challenges of space exploration. Looking to the future, the possibilities of human-robot interaction are vast. The development of empathetic robots, collaborative machines working alongside humans, and even the potential for robotic rights hint at a future where humans and robots coexist in more integrated and sophisticated ways. In conclusion, the impact of robots on society is multifaceted and profound. As we navigate this robotic era, the challenge lies in harnessing the benefits of robotic technology while addressing its societal, ethical, and economic implications. The journey of integrating robots into our world is a complex yet exciting voyage, much like charting a course through the unexplored territories of space.